today we are going to see how to apply glitch effect on an image. So here is my Photoshop. Okay, I am using now Photoshop version 2021. Okay, so in that I have downloaded one image from the Google, as you can see on the screen, and I am going to apply a glitch effect on it. So how to apply a glitch effect or add a glitching effect to an image, we are going to see today. First of all, we will create a duplicate layer of this image. So for that, I will be pressing Ctrl J. As you can see here, the new layer has been created. Now we will be going in image and going in adjustments. In that, we are going to select black and white option. Okay. Keep all the setting as it is and just click on OK. Now as you can see, our image is turned into a black and white color. Okay. Now we have to go here below, okay, in add a layer style. In that, go to the blending options. Okay, and here we have to uncheck the red color. Okay, what we are doing is every image is made up of RGB, that is red, green and blue color. Okay, so from that we are just removing the red color to give it a glitch effect. We are doing so. Let's click on OK. Now as you can see, the red color from the image is removed, so the image appears like this. Now as I move my image, you can see it is giving slightly a glitching effect, not completely but slightly. Okay, we can separate the red color from image as we drag in any position. Okay, as you can see this. Okay, so now as if you have seen any glitch image or video, okay, so some part of the image is somewhat distracted. Okay, so how to give that distracted look? Then we have to go in the left rectangular marquee tool. Okay, selecting rectangular marquee tool, and I will be taking some selecting some part. Okay, by using the rectangular marquee tool, then I will be pressing Ctrl as I want to cut that part, and I will be move it in the left right direction as per the how much effect I want to give. So as you can see, they have given some glitch effect to the original image, and the glitch image is as you can see. Okay, so you can add such glitch effect to any image you like. Okay, so hope you like the today's video that was adding a glitch effect to the image. Okay, so I haven't told you the image I have downloaded from the Google. So all rights of the image are reserved by the Google search engine. I have just used this to show you how to add the glitching effect.